Right, everyone, we're looking at our floor plan design assignment. So you're going to accurately measure and sketch a floor plan of our future build area. And from our sketch, you're going to create a blueprint of your ideal design. And this relates back to our strand 4 and our standards of 1 through 3 in strand 4. So I'm going to skip down to number 2 here. You're going to open up the floor plan template in Sketchup. So you click on this here, and it takes you to this link, and then you want to open up with Sketchup for Schools up top here. Once this opens up here, you're going to want to make sure you save this. So going through the process of saving your drawing. So this is my template. So I'm going to go to, you're going to see here, this is a temporary. You're going to want to make sure you click on save. And I'm going to go here to save as, and I'm going to save this in my drive. So I got to dive into here and make sure I have it saved in an appropriate folder. You want to keep things organized. So I'm going to go construction tech, and this is going to be TMJH crib 4.0, and then save. Okay, once it's saved here, that looks excellent. Now I'm going to go around to my scenes, and I'm going to get a top view of my scene. Okay, so scenes here on the right gives me a nice top view. You can also change these different projections of your view, but I like to keep it on the flat projection right there. So this here, that cement area, that's where we're going to actually be building our walls on. This is the outside wall of that space of the garage that we're going to be working in. And if I press O, I can orbit around and I can see our door, our entrance from the classroom. Here's a garage door, here's another garage door, and here's a classroom door over here. If you watch that first video here, you can see my other design of my space here. I did leave some openings to make sure we can move materials and move through those doors if we needed to. But if I'm looking at this here, the first thing I'm going to do here is back on this sheet here is make 2 bathtubs, okay? You got to have a length of 60, a width of 30, and a height of 15. So this is pretty simple. So length of 30, width of 30, height of 15. So escape to get back to my select tool, R for rectangle, and then I'm going to type in 60, comma, and in the lower right here, you can see if I go down, whoop, let's undo that. 60, comma, 30, enter. And then I get a rectangle. And then P for push-pull, and this is going to be 15, like so. And if I orbit around here, I can see my little tiny bathtub. Then I'm going to make a sink, okay? Sink length of 30, width of 25, height of 35. So 30, 25, 30, 25, 35. So back on here, 30, comma, 25, enter, then P, and 35. All right, last one I gotta make here. 1 dishwasher, 24, and the depth is actually 25, and then the height is 35. So 24 of width, and then a depth of 25. So rectangle again, and then 24, 25, and then a height of 35. And ultimately, if we need to move or rotate these around a little bit because they're not at the right angle, that's fine. Then select tool. So I have a bathtub, a sink, and a dishwasher, but I need 2 bathtubs. So I'm going to select this here, and then I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to make it a component. Okay, so this is going to be bathtub definition. And then I'm not going to do anything here, but that's fine. If I wanted to glue it to something, I could, but okay. So that becomes one object. Then this here, right click again here, make component. This is going to be a sink. Click OK. Then right here, I'm going to right click on this here, make component. This is a dishwasher. Click OK. And then I'm going to duplicate these. So just simply, I can Command C, Command V, I get 2. And then simply here, select this, Command C, Command V, and I get 2. And then this one here, I'll select it again, Command C, Command V, I get 2. If you want to take an opportunity to color these now before you move on so you don't confuse them, materials over here. So materials is this 4th one down, or 5th one down here. And then you have a search option. I can search here. For example, I want to do the bathtub first. I'm going to go for tile, and I really like this like blue tile. I'm just going to make it like a blue tile bathtub. And same idea for that bathtub. Then I move around here with my hand, H tool. I got my sinks. I'm going to go for let's go for a synthetic surface here. And I'm just going to make this blue. Make that blue on those sinks. And then my dishwasher, I'm going to make a black dishwasher. Right there. So I know the difference between the different objects now. And then make sure you save. And then we're going to move on to our next thing, talking about our walls in our space. Thanks.